Hello everyone, I'm Sandeep Benz. I hope guys you all are well. Welcome back to my channel. As usual, first of all I'm using moisturizer. Now the cream has to be done in the face. Next I'm using primer, Bridal Studio 69. Next I'm using foundation, which is Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hours, shade number 49 Amber Beige. It should be shaken well before using it. 1.5 and I think 2 pump is enough for me. Next I'm using this foundation brush with brush spreaded well. I have a dark circle, so 2 pumps are right for me. This foundation covers the dark circles very well. Also not important to use a concealer with this foundation. It's a full coverage foundation. There I have done the video in fast motion. Whatever brush has leftover foundation, I applying on my eyelid. Next I'm using damp beauty blender. We can also use our fingertips to blend the foundation. This is your personal choice. Sometimes I also use fingertips for blend makeup, foundation or base. And never forget eyelid also. Next I'm using concealer, Age Remind concealer. Where we want to show some light part, there we use concealer. Like forehead, bridge of nose, under eye area, cupid bow. And never forget cheek also. And blend well, which is most important. Next I'm using loose powder with beauty blender. Foundation will be fixed with powder. Remaining powder is to press on your eyelid. Now eyelid prepare for eyeshadow. Next I'm using eyeshadow palette, which is the Jaclyn Hill palette. Next I'm using this light shade for base, for eyelid base, or this one is my fluffy brush. First I'm using a light brown color for eyelid base. Next I'm using a dark greenish shade for outer corner, or next time use a light green shimmer shade for mid side. I'm using 3 shades on my eyelid. First light brown for eyelid base, next dark green for outer corner, and up next I'm using some shimmer shade and mix it very well. Next I'm using highlighter on my brow bone, and both shade mix it well. Also highlight tear duct area. Next I'm using eyebrow pencil and spoolie. My hair growth is low, so I mostly use eyebrows in this way. When I was never use makeup, Then I use only eyebrow pencil. I like to keep the eyebrow filled. There you can see the difference between the two. This side highlight cupid bow. Next I'm using bronzer with this fluffy bronzer brush. Next I'm using a little bit product on my brush and build up, build up, build up. Next I'm using contouring shade on my bridge of nose, forehead and cheekbones. So contouring finish. Next I'm using highlighter on my tip of nose. Again I'm using highlighter on my brow bone. Next cheekbone also. Next I'm using fluffy brush for dust out extra product and again build up. Next I'm using eyeliner with my eyebrow pencil. This side eyeliner complete, and next I'm using eyelashes. Eyelashes is my most favorite, but this side I'm not use eyelashes. I will upload my next video on special topic eyelashes. This side I'm using mascara. If you want to make the lashes little bright, then you use I think 5 to 8 cord must for lashes. Next I'm using a lip shade which is in pure red shade. I use lipstick with the brush. Next I'm using bindi. Next I'm using makeup fixer. This is my earrings. So this is final look. My hairstyle also done. If you like guys, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.